This is gonna be one freaking long blue screen.
8.5 then.
Okay, 8.5 feet.
A blue screen. It's got 5 different frames all put together to make one. Each one is 5 feet by 8 feet. We simply staple bunches of cardboard over the frame, and then we're gonna stretch the tarp over it. The reason that we put cardboard on is so that if it gets windy, the tarp won't billow in the wind. It'll have some rigidity to it. We have the completed blue screen here. It is now a total of 20 feet long and 8 feet in height. Each plate is 5 foot by 8 foot, and there's a total of 4 plates put together.
Tall people on this side. Tall people on this side.
Did you find the tape?
Yeah, 167.
Okay, how about like just like that? Just like that. Forget it, you don't need them.
Hey, Jonas.
We actually plug our headsets in.
So you're saying you want me to keep my leg up?
In the beginning.
Welcome to another beautiful day in Vietnam. My name is George, and I'll be your select pilot for the trip. Assuming we're not shot down, brought down, or